Hello, my dear students. So I am going to teach you how to automate a login page using Playwright with Python. So first of all, you have to download PyCharm. So this is PyCharm. You have to download the community version from JetBeans website. So you can download it from there. Now we will create one repository on GitHub. So we will create a new repository. Click new repository, and I will name it as PW login. And I will make this as public, and here I will click add a readme file, and then I will create this repository. Once the repository is created, this is named as pw login. So I will be copy this https. So in order to clone this, so I will copy here. So I will hit this copy URL to clipboard. So after it is copied, so I will go to our PyCharm, and here I will click because I am creating a new project, so I will click here new project, and in that new project using virtual environment, so I will be creating a new project using virtual environment. So this is there. So Python project, so I will import it. So I will click here, and I will here project from version control, because GitHub is a version control tool. So I will click from here instead of doing in this way. So I will click from here directly. So here I will I have copied that URL, so I will paste here in this field, and then I will click clone. So now here this one is created, as you can see here. Now what I will be do here, Python has been configured as a project interpreter. Let's do this later on. Now go to preferences, here in settings. So in this we will be going to preferences. This is appearance, this all version control, and this is our project. So in this project you can see Python interpreter is there. So here it's written invalid Python 3.11. So this is actually older version, so we need to add one interpreter, that is new one. So we have to just click here add interpreter. So add local interpreter. So here new existing in virtual environment, we have to select virtual environment. You can select Conda environment, but we will select virtual environment, because for a Playwright with Python virtual environment, within the virtual environment we will create, so it can be used on any other operating system also, or any other machine also, so that will not change. So okay, we will click here okay. Now as you can see, pip has got installed. Now we will be clicking on this plus icon, and then we will be clicking Playwright. So Playwright here, after clicking this, we should get from Microsoft Corporation license expression this. So this means we will be downloading this, we will be installing this package, and this is from the Microsoft Corporation. So install the package. So it is installing now. So here package Playwright installed successfully, it's written here. So now close this. So as you can see here, Playwright has been now installed successfully. So we will click OK. Now within the virtual environment we can see these files are there. So now I will open a terminal here. So as you can see here, we will go to the documentation of this. So code generation, one method is there, code generation. So we will be using code generation, Playwright code gen, Playwright code gen. So here you can see all the it has already installed this Chromium. So Chromium got opened here. So as you can see here it's blank. So it's blank, and here you can see Playwright inspector. Already this code has been generated for navigating here. Now we will, whatever the URL is there, you want to navigate to that website, we will just put that URL in this blank page, and it will automatically log into that page. We will put the credential, and it will automatically uh, add all the things. So this is the URL, and in this URL I will copy this link, URL link, and then I will be copying in this blank Chromium page that has got opened, and then I will hit the enter button, and as soon as I have hit the enter button, you can see automatically it got updated. Page dot go to https demoqa.com login. So automatically it has logged in, means automatically it has opened this login page. Now when we log in using our username and password, I have created one account. So here my username is Arvind, IND, and my password is, here I will put my password, 7. So I have put both the credential, and I will log in here. So as you can see, it got logged in here automatically. In this you can see I have logged in to this tool.qa website in the profile section. So here automatically it has created this whole thing, you can see. So as you can see, this is from here we are actually importing this Playwright sync API and this thing, and then expect is also important. So expect should also be imported. So we have actually imported these things. And then this is the function, run function, and browser. So browser, we are telling which browser you have to launch, and headless mode is false, means then it will, that's why it appeared. If we make it true, then that Chromium browser what we have seen here will not be seen, this one. So headless mode is very important, otherwise you will not be able to see this tool generator. So this Playwright inspector will not open this. So that's why headless we have to keep it as false. And then new text, context equals to browser.new context. What it will do, this is very important, because within the tab, within this whole website, within this page, if we are navigating to other pages also, so that it will not get logged out. Otherwise it will get logged out if we will not choose this one, browser.new context. So page equals to context equal to new page. So this is page go to http. So this is the URL what we have visited here. So get by role, text box. So name of the text box in Playwright, it is very easy, not like our Selenium or Cypress. You have to inspect, and then you have to class ID, you have to find out class or ID. Here you can use name also. So name of this box is username, what was that it was there. So in the same way we have filled it with my username, and then the next one is password. So I have filled it with my password, and then it I have in the button name of page dot get by role button, name of that button is login. So I have cleared it finally, and then here I have closed it. So within this sync Playwright as Playwright, run Playwright. So within this one level indentation is there. So within this, so it will actually cause this website in synchronous manner. So the website will run. So this run website parameter is given this. So in this way we have opened this one, our demo.qa, and now I will be doing what, I will be copying this whole thing, and I will be pasting here. we can just click here copy, then also it copies, and then I will be creating, I will be clicking here, and I will create click right click, then I will create one Python file. I will name this Python file as test1.py. So in this test I will paste that whatever we got here, whole thing, command V. So now I will right click here and run this test, so that Chromium will again open, the Chromium beta version will open, and it will log into that page using our username, password. Let's see